Right guys, we're going to do, obviously we've got games this afternoon. We are going to do a conquest, but first we're going to play a little game. One's gone, there we go. First we're going to play a little game. So, the rules are pretty much same as team deathmatch, same starts. You're all going to be battling each other, okay? Only thing is, I'm going to be out in the field as well. You guys have got to go out whilst you're battling each other, search for me.
Basically, it's not a marker for this game.
Right. Basically, you've got to go out there and you've got to search for me, and you've got to capture me, okay? Thing is, guys, listen up, so you know the rules. I do not want to be captured. So if I see anybody around, I am going to shoot you. If I shoot you, you then obviously die, go back to respawn, okay? If somebody shoots me, I'm going to shout hit, and that gives you 10 seconds. 10 seconds to get to me. Once you've got to me, grab me, okay?
Hit! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's it. Remember, you get shot, bud.
You've then got to escort me back to your respawn.
Ooh. Oh, sorry. Right. You want to grab him or? Give me that.
Okay. If you get shot, yeah, it's one person.
If I get you,
yeah.
I get shot, what do you say?
That's it, you're dead, I'm then back into neutral.
Now I'm neutral.
Basically fighting for myself. Right, the maximum people that can transport me is 2 people at a time. Right, so I have information that everybody wants.
Simple question, Simon. What? Are you going to give me any information?
You're having nothing. Hit! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's it. Game over.
Here's the capture. Yeah, here's the captured.
I was going to say, have you got a plan of a bit of water, just in case he doesn't talk? So, simple question, Simon. Are you going to give me any information?
You're having nothing.
Not even if I pour this small bit of still putting water over it?
Nothing.
Are you sure about that?
Nothing out of me.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Oh!
Have you got a dog? I will shoot the dog. Nothing, no? Again? Have you got a missus, Simon? Yes. And how fond of you of your missus? Because I've got a bunch of lads behind me that would be prepared. Very. Yeah.
Make him do the run.
So it's either more water or we take this to your family. How do we do this? Family or information?
Information's in my pocket.
Which pocket?
The wet one.
Sorry, we've got a second one, it's not. Would this be that information?
It is, yeah.
Happy days, thank you for your business. You're free to go, mate. How wet are you?
Don't.
It's not bad, is it?
Not for a little bit of information,
Not
mate.
for a little bit of information. Sorry for getting you wet, but I really wanted this. Oh, thank you.